Small update with my channel. When I was doing the last video, I was asked your feedback. I was not posted anymore from 3 weeks. I was pretty busy in the last weeks because I was having here in Romania some seminars. I was doing 2 weeks ago here at my gym. I was having a snatch workshop. Last weekend I was doing in Satu Mare. I was doing there a weightlifting seminar, and this weekend, now it's March 17, and in the 2021 March I will have another seminar here close to my town in Arad, at CrossFit Arad. After I will finish these seminars, I will have more time to do the videos for YouTube. So I want to thank you for all who commented on my last video. I was received a lot of comments. Most of them are to do videos about programming, about how to perform snatch or clean and jerk, how to videos, and on my next YouTube videos I will focus on this more, on how to videos, and I will want to share with you my vision about snatch and clean and jerk, and how to perform the exercises as a beginner or as a more advanced weightlifter. So this will be the video. I want to thanks again for all people who commented on my last video. I was receiving more than 100 comments. That it's very impressive. So this was the update. I want to let you know that I was not forgetting, and I will make the videos, but you only need to have a bit more patience. So thanks again for watching this video, and we'll see in the next one. Bye.